Hey guys, so it's me, Aaliyah, and it's me, Miranda. So I guess today we're doing the what is it? The blindfolded taste test. So my insides are gonna be squirted onto foods. Yeah, mine are too. Hi.
So we're gonna be doing the blindfolded taste test, but we're gonna do the one where like you just have food like Cheez-Its, crackers, fruit snacks, chips, chips, and you have to put either mustard or ketchup on them, and then they have to guess what it is with the mustard and ketchup. Like, yeah. And Aaliyah's not happy about this.
If I puke, it's all on you. And like, so how's your guys' day going? Mine's doing fine. Do you like pineapples? Because I sure do. Because why don't you pine on my... I don't know. So, have you heard about the up sexy in school? What's up, sexy? Nothing much, you. Sorry.
Don't know what I walked into. So do you want to do it first?
Like, I give you the stuff? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Here, and if you want, you can just... So just do like 3 different things. I want to crack it.
I don't know if that had mustard on it. First one, but ooh.
I dogged it.
I got a pretty big one. And I'm gonna add. Woman, stop. Woman. Please don't put a lot. Like, I swear I would actually start puking. Like, no doubt about it. Ooh, wait. Oh, yeah. Okay. Here's your first one. Oh my god.
I'm gonna like grab it and like.
Don't worry. I only put it in some places.
It looks like a chip.
No, not. I have never even tasted mustard at. Oh shoot. I've actually never tasted mustard at all, to be honest. I've only tasted ketchup.
It's a Jim's chip with mustard. You can like but 2 of them, like 2 different, like the 2 different chips, and then like.
Well then, moving on.
And then with ketchup and mustard, like you can do that.
How much do I give you?
Let's just do 3 things.
Okay.
This is like
This
too
is
big.
gonna be so hard.
That look really weird, probably. Oh.
I thought someone was walking near your window, but really it was a black car.
Don't scare me! What's happening?
Wait. Oh my god. Oh. Are you being towel? I should have shook it first.
Oh, was it the ketchup?
No.
Well, you already used the mustard.
You don't know if I... Oh man, now I smell like ketchup.
Ha!
I forgot. Oh my god, that smells like vinegar though. What the heck? Okay, you know what?
Yeah, it's the ketchup.
Did you hear that? Gosh, now I gotta get another one. Round 2. Dude, woman. Stop.
Stop. What?
Stop! In the name of... Oh my god, stop. You almost made me drop it. Okay, here's your... Oh, here's your second. Here's your second. Ketchup.
You don't want to grab it? No, it's on my hand!
Oh, just eat
I don't even like ketchup! It feels like a slug.
You feel like a slug. Just lick it off of your hand.
What is it?
Wait, you don't have any of it on. It fell off. Lick your hand. Put it back.
What is it?
Put it back on. And then eat it. There we go.
I got trouble again.
Oh, and then I'm gonna have this.
What is it? Oh wait, I can.
What flavor?
Yeah, what flavor is that?
Oh my god, are you seriously gonna puke?
No, I just hate ketchup. Unless it's with chicken nuggets.
Oh my god, I need to throw this one away. I'm not gonna eat that because that's like runny.
Anyway.
I was so confused on what was circular. I was
so
like,
confused.
what is it? Because I forgot about the fruit snacks.
Wait. Okay,
Just so that you know, guys, my eyes are closed underneath this, too. Like, they're closed underneath it. So, like, I'm not peeking at all.
I see. What does...
Like, are you tasting
Oh,
mustard?
no. Ooh, dang it.
Hmm.
It ran off. Never mind. Just eat it.
Ruffles with ketchup. I mean mustard.
I don't know how to put this on. Do I look bad?
No, you look sexy. Oh my god. Ruffles with mustard doesn't actually taste like bad.
Oh. I feel like that's the club. Or is that the cheese?
Wait, no, that wasn't enough.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I feel like this.
Hold on. Just throw it in your mouth. Like, it's... Just don't even pick it up. Just throw it in your mouth. No, that's ketchup. Just, like, throw it in your mouth.
Oh.
What's on that?
Um,
I'll get the next one ready.
there's something I've never tasted.
Mustard?
So I'm guessing.
You said you've never tasted mustard.
Mhm.
Oh my god.
I'm guessing it's like the Cheez-It. And I felt like a double layer, so I think it's like mustard.
Yeah.
Then a Cheez-It. Because then I felt the ketchup on top.
Yeah.
Then I felt a little thingy with it on top.
Okay.
Then on top of that little thingy. Oh, fruit snack! Oh.
That was the mustard container. I'm getting your next one ready.
Then on top of the fruit snack, it felt like ketchup. No, it tasted like ketchup. Am I right?
Yeah.
Oh!
It's not coming out.
That sounded like a lot.
It's not, but I need a chip.
Thanks. It smells like the Tin Tams thing.
No, it's not.
Tinny.
It's Ruffles. And I keep putting it.
Tinny.
Well, it's not.
Don't trick me. I swear, you're giving me harder ones than I've given you.
Yeah, because you just did one thing on one thing.
Well, I didn't know that you could.
Okay, here. Wait, hand out. Just throw it in your mouth.
No, I get to look at.
Don't make anything fall off of it. You put your finger in. Just put it in your mouth.
Let's feel. This is the club's cracker.
Okay.
This is the Cheez-It. But it's standing on something.
Okay, we don't have that much time left.
Oh god! Club crackers,
Mm-hmm.
mustard, ketchup, Tim's, Ruffles, and Cheez-Its, mustard and ketchup.
You already said mustard and ketchup.
Oh. Was I right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh god. Mustard has this weird vinegary taste.
That's what mustard is, Aaliyah.
Ew, really?
Yeah.
No wonder I don't like it.
Have you ever eaten? Hold on. It's eat this. Oh, hello? I don't think so.
Oh, that's gross.
Okay, well, we're recording a video, so. We are. Bye. Sorry about that. What is it?
Club cracker.
Yep, hurry up. This has been over 10 minutes.
2 things, fruit snacks, with mustard and ketchup on top with 2 ruffles.
Yeah, pretty much. Well, that was our video.
Wait, what time is it?
It's almost 5. So, I hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry this was such a long video again.
Everything is long.
Bye.
You know what I mean.